Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ningaxwayi nje banibona ijezi leArsenal emva kwami. Hayi ngoba nginejezi leArsenal nje. Kunento engifuna ukunitshela yona. Angifuni ukuyimemeza ngizoyihleba. Yabo, I will whisper to you guys. Jezi leOrlando Pirates leaked. Jezi leOrlando Pirates bafethu leaked. Ngithole umthombo. Yabo, banginikeze umbiko about ijezi leOrlando Pirates. Bathe Vane nali ijezi leOrlando Pirates ngokwakho linjani. Yabo, ijezi lelizokhishwa uOrlando Pirates maybe in the next month, maybe next month noma kuyona lenyanga le asazi ke nini, but ke bangishuthelile isithombe bangisendela. Yabo, so njengoba ubona ijezi leArsenal la uyalibona lo line lo umuqobovu la. Yabo, o connected from i-shoulder ne-chest, umuqobovu loyo. Yabo, from u-red to white. Yabo, same as ijezi le-Al Ahly. Mukhumbula ke i-Al Ahly no-Orlando Pirates are the only clubs la e-Africa are sponsored by Adidas. Yabo, ngangitshela khona enye, but ngokwazi kwami, ngolwazi lwami, ubona umabili lama club lawa asponsorishwe i-Adidas. And i-Adidas iwenzela ama tracksuit amahle. Yabo, ngoba ba sponsored i-Adidas. Mukhumbula kahle Orlando Pirates sponsored i-Adidas. Yabo, eminyakeni edlule i-Al Ahly sponsorishwe amanye ama brand. I think it was Puma if I'm not mistaken. Wangitshela ukuthi sponsorishwe yini Puma before they opted for i-Adidas, but ke nayo inejezi kanje. Uma subheke, yabo i-shoulder yabo nesifuba sabo sihlukaniswa umuqa onjani ogold. Uyawubona umuqa la uyigolide. Yabo, kukhona into engizama ukuyiveza la. Yabo, because I'm sure abantu abaningi bazothi hayi fana unamanga likho nje ijezi lePirates because mhlawumbe ungalithandi. Yabo, khona amanye ngizonikhombisa wona awe-Adidas aphesheya ke manje not la eAfrica. Nale le Juventus, you see le Juventus linjani, uyabona ihlombe labo linjani, lino Adidas opink lapha. Yabo, masekuthi isifuba sabo sihlukaniswa umuqa onjani, sihlukaniswa umuqa omnyama. Uyabona umuqa omnyama uyasuka lapha nendawo, mhlambe leli lizoba clear. Uyabona umuqa lapha ijezi elisha leli leJuventus abazodlala ngalo. Yabo, lihleke lona ngifuqa amanga. I would really buy this jersey. Yabo, into ke ejwayele ukwenziwa iAdidas senginangisisile. Yabo, kuma season nje yadlule Adidas ijwayele ukusebenzisa ipattern eyodwa kuma jezi ayo wonke. Ngokunako goalkeeper abagqoka ijezi leAdidas bajwayele ukugqoka ijezi elifanayo. Ungabheka ugoalkeeper weAl Ahly nogoalkeeper weOrlando Pirates uSepo Chain, ungababona banamajezi afanayo. Yabo, goalkeeper yipenye team, I think Newcastle, masubheke ugoalkeeper weOrlando Pirates banamajezi afanayo. Yabo, the pattern of their jerseys are the same. Yabo, Adidas inalowo mkhuba ke engawuthandi, but masubheka ama home jerseys, you see the pattern, the jerseys are similar because kuno line la ohlukanisa i-shoulder nesifuba. Masiza ngejezi leAdidas. Yabo, ijezi leReal Madrid sekisele Adidas, ijezi leReal Madrid same concept nakhona kuhlukaniswe ini i-shoulder nesifuba, kuhlukaniswe umuqa kanjani, umuqa oyellow or gold. Yabo, ungangitshela ke lapho mina ngibonela uyellow nje la. Lihleke nalo ijezi leReal Madrid, I don't wanna lie, but ke nali ke ijezi engizonikhombisa lona engisendelwe lona. Angifuni nimemeze, angifuni nithi khulumani sihlebe madoda. Nami ngiyanikhombisa cause yabo i-channel yami la ka YouTube ungangixeka but ke i-team ayakalikhiphi. Ngizokukhombisa abangilandelayo. Uma akangilandeli show subscribe lapho uVane Sports lo, cause yona content le na subscribelayo wona kumele nazi izinto ezingaziwa. Yabo, ngizonitshela nje la nginihlebela about ijezi ongenzeka liphume. Nala season kwenzeka the same thing. Orlando Pirates yalikwa ijezi lawo lingakaphumi. Maybe they do this on purpose just to see ukuthi i-audience izothini. Yabo, the masses azo-react kanjani ama masses. Mhlawumbe usulibonile ijezi, mhlawumbe yabo selicirculateile online, but ke ijezi engisalibonile today licirculator elilikhiwe leMamelodi Sundowns. Ilona jezi lilikhiwe leSundowns. Yabo, lihleke nalo, I don't wanna lie. It's a beautiful jersey, linalo retro feel. Yabo, retro feel ngathi ijezi lakudala. Uyayibona ilanga liyaphakama la. Yabo, it represent the sun. Ilanga linalo Africa. I don't know if it makes sense. You see the mountains, you see the city. About the city lights there. I don't know which city they represent. Maybe Cape Town, I don't know. Maybe Johannesburg. eGoli zikhona manje intaba, angazi noma ikhona yini intaba eGoli noma zikho. I've never been to Johannesburg. I wish to go there to watch Orlando Pirates idlala. angikaze ngaye egoli zikhona uthi izintaba ungangitshela ama comments angikaze ngayibona izintaba hleze ngibona nje ama seats yabo masubheke ijezi elilikhiwe ilona jezi leli Orlando Pirates you see the similarities with the other jerseys alapha yabo uyayibona lento red ehlukanisa ihlombe nesifuba yabo kuno line o red ngiyalithanda ke leli jezi lingifanela nejezi leOrlando Pirates elisebenzisa ngo2009 2010 season mulikhumbule lelo jezi Adidas wawupha nendawo ngalesa ikhathi mase iba no line o red ohlukanisayo nali jezi engikhuluma ngalo yabo licishe lingifanele naleli jezi but ungangitshela wona ama comments yabo lihle naleli jezi leli sasisebenzisa ngekhathi zakudala nje mulikhumbula mhlambe musa nalo ungangitshela ama comments lalilihle I wish to have this jersey anginalo ngifuna ukulithenga yabo one of the best jerseys esengawabona but ke nali ijezi leOrlando Pirates elikhiwe yabo I don't wanna lie angazi ngisizwa kanjani but lona lihle angifuqa manga lihle maybe mhlawumbe mase ngilibona lila sengiligqokile ngizobona ukuthi hayi lihle ngempela but yebo lihle ijezi mfethu lihle ijezi bawenzile umsebenzi kaDidas awukaze wangiphoxa before Adidas nje awukazi wangiphoxa uhlezi ungineza into enhle yabo ushayela umsebenzi nje laba ushaye kahle umsebenzi kumele baqhubeke basenzele amajezi yabo ngangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngaleli jezi but ke ilona ijezi elilikhiwe leli likhwe cishe ngakhipha uthi likhuba but ke ilona jezi leli bafethu le Adidas yabo mangitshela can you rate it out of 10 yabo rate it in the comments just tell me what do you think about the jersey do you think babedile do you think benze kangcono kunaleli last season angazi in the past 3 seasons Orlando Pirates amajezi awabe mahle kakhulu angifuqa manga since we came with this new Adidas sign yabo lo Adidas lo musha wenza lamajezi abe mahle kakhulu yabo leli jezi leli elanamamathambo leli elinespoke samathambo esikhulu lalilihle naleli last season labelilihle naleli futhi yabo basaqhubeka lapho traditional black Orlando Pirates jersey yabo I wish we had away jersey Orlando Pirates bemhlophe yabo ngajabula kakhulu mase sitholi away jersey emhlophe ngikhathele bafethu ukuthi sidlale ngama away jerseys ama away jerseys mhlambe kanjani konje binjani akuleya season leya la season ibimint if I'm not mistaken yabo angicika ama away jerseys angahambiselani Orlando Pirates khumbula leli lihlaza wema bona le away jersey leya ihlaza esayigqoka kule season la sine home jersey eyired mukhumbula kahle sasine home jersey ered mase siba ne away jersey egreen I used to hate that jersey because we used to lose I don't know why but nje mesugqoke ijezi elihlukile nelethu khona leli orange but ke abantu abaningi babelithanda lela jersey I didn't like the away jersey orange it didn't fit yabo the Orlando Pirates yabo ora iPirates siyazi phela Orlando Pirates mfethu black red white yabo yona into esijwayele ku Orlando Pirates masisofa abanye amakala kuvele nje kuphume kuthina but ke ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi ufuna away jersey wena ibe njani ungirate naleli jersey